Okay, so we just bought this thing, the Drone airplane whatnot. Didn't even get all the pieces out of the box. Charged up the battery and everything. Never even got it to fly. Right when we plug in the battery, it makes a big explosion popping noise. We'll put this right like that. And now it's not doing it. It was... Oh, there it goes right there. Sizzling. See the red hotness of that thing and how it's all on fire and whatnot? Yeah, and that's what you get when you just buy one of these. It just starts firing itself, I guess. And that's the end of that.